DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. How are you all, students? I hope you all are doing well. I am FAZEENA and here I am going to take you English lesson for grade 1 and 2 students. Are you all ready for today's lesson? I'm sure you all are. Before starting today's lesson, let's recite the dua.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Students, do you like to hear a story? Okay, before going to today's lesson, first I'm going to tell you a story. The name of the story is Sheena. So students, listen the story very well. After that, I am going to ask some questions. By looking at the story, you have to tell me the answer. And also, I have highlighted some keywords in the story. By looking at those keywords, you have to guess today's topic. Are you all ready? Okay. The name of the story is Sheena, right? Sheena is the name of a person, right? Hello, my name is Sheena. I am at the Central Park with my family. That means she is in the Central Park with her family. We all have come to the park on a picnic. They went to park for a picnic, right students? The sun is shining brightly in the sky. What is shining brightly in the sky? Very good. The sun, right? My father is drinking tea. My mother is giving food to my father. That means Sheena's father is drinking tea and her mother is giving food to her father. My brother is running in the park. What is her brother doing? Yes, her brother is running in the park. You can see at the pictures, right? My dog is also running with my brother. That means her dog also running with her brother. I am picking flowers. That means Sheena is picking flowers, right? We are enjoying a lot in the park. They are enjoying a lot in the park. Students, do you like the story? Yes, it is very nice and also a very small story, right? Okay, let me read once again for you. So this time make sure you listen very carefully. After that, I'm going to ask some questions, okay? Hello, my name is Sheena. I am at the Central Park with my family. We all have come to the park on a picnic. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. My father is drinking tea. My mother is giving food to my father. My brother is running in the park. My dog is also running with my brother. I am picking flowers. We are enjoying a lot in the park. Now, I hope you have understood the story very well. Right?
Okay, students, this is your activity time. This is activity number 1. In this activity, what you have to do is I will show you a questions. By looking at the story, you have to tell me the answers. Okay? Are you all ready?
Okay, let's look at the questions. Here the activity 1. Answer the given questions. The first question. What is Sheena doing? What is Sheena doing, students? Very good. Let's look at the passage. Here you can see at the last second line. I am picking flowers. That means Sheena is picking flowers. In this picture also you can see she is wearing a blue dress, right students? And she has some flowers. That means she is picking flowers. Here the question is, what is Sheena doing? The answer is Sheena is picking flowers. Very good, students. Okay, let's look at the second question. What is shining in the sky? What is shining there, students? Very good. Well done. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. So the answer is the sun, right? Here the second question is, what is shining in the sky? The answer is the sun is shining brightly in the sky. Well done. Okay, let's look at the third question. What is Sheena's father doing? Students, what is her father doing? Yes, my father is drinking tea, right? That means her father is drinking tea. What is Sheena's father doing? Sheena's father is drinking tea. Okay, students, the fourth question. Who is running in the park? That means a name of a person, right? Who refers to name of a person. Who is running in the park? My brother is running in the park. That means Sheena's brother, right? Who is running in the park? Sheena's brother is running in the park. The fifth question. Okay, let's look at the fifth question. What is the dog doing? What is the dog doing there? My dog is also running with my brother. That means Sheena's dog is also running with her brother.
Okay, students, do you like the story? And what are the highlighted words there? Do you see any common words there? Yes, the ending letters, right? All those words end with ing. So, can you guess today's topic? Well done. Today we are going to learn about present continuous tense, right?
Students, do you have any idea about present continuous tense?
Okay, students. Now let's see what are our learning intentions for today and also how we will be successful in today's lesson.
Learning intention. Students will be able to use simple present continuous tense correctly. Success criteria. You will be a star if you can recognize a present continuous verb and also use a present continuous verb in a sentence. That is a criteria for today's lesson. Okay, let's look at for today's topic present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is often used to talk about a continuing action, something happening now or at the moment of speaking. Students, what I am doing now, I am teaching you all, right? That means I am teaching. Students, what are you doing now? Yes, you are listening. So, listening, teaching, those are present continuous tense. And those are actions that is happening now. So, we will go a detail about simple continuous tense. Sometimes we call it as ing verbs also. So, students, look at this verb play. Affirmative is play. How we can use play as in simple continuous tense. If it is I, you have to add am. That means I am playing. I is first person singular, right, students? You, we, they. So for those, we have to add are. You, we, they are playing. And for he, she, it, those are third person singular. So we have to add is. He is playing, she is playing, it is playing. So that is how we use present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Okay, now let's do this activity together. Students, what is she doing? What is she doing? Yes, she is drawing a picture at the moment. That means she is doing a picture now, right? Okay, let's look at this picture. What is this, students? Yeah, it is a Tweety. What is Tweety doing? Well, it is flying. Students, look at the verb there. The verb is fly and we have to add ing. That means flying. It is flying. What is David doing? At the moment he is playing football. Playing, right? Okay, now let's look at when we use the present continuous tense. The first way, action that are happening at present. Example, they are dancing right now. That means they are dancing at the moment of speaking. That is happening at present. The second way, for a temporary situation. Example, they normally play tennis, but this week they are skating. that is for temporary situation. Okay, temporary means lasting for a limited period of time, not permanent, right? They normally play tennis, but this week they are skating. The third reason, for changing situation. Example, yesterday it was very sunny, but today it is raining more and more. And the last reason, for future arrangements, we use present continuous tense. Here you can see they are celebrating a party next weekend. For future arrangement also we use present continuous tense. For time expressions we use now, at the moment, today, nowadays, this week. These are some time expressions we use in present continuous tense. They are throwing snowballs now, right? Okay, now let's look at the spelling rules. Students, look at the table. The first part, ending I, the words which is ending IE, like example die. What you have to do is you have to cut IE and you have to add Y plus ING. You can see die. Here you have to cut IE and you have to add Y plus ING. Dine, lie, line. Right? The second example, ending E, you have to cut E and you have to add ING. Students, look at this example, delete. Here you have to cut the last letter E. Delete, deleting. Complete, completing. So there are also in the word complete you have to cut the last letter E. So complete, completing, right? Next, ending CVC. CVC words, students. Do you know CVC words? Yes, we have studied it before, right? CVC word is made up of consonant or vowel and also consonant sound, right? Students, look at the word run. Here again you have to add an extra N, that is run, running, stop, stopping. Like that it goes, right? These are spelling rules of present continuous tense. Refer, referring, omit, omitting. Happen, happening, adding ing. Open, opening, right?
Okay, this is activity 2. In this activity, what you have to do is you have to change the given verb into ing form. I will show you the verbs and you have to change the verb into ing form. That means you have to change the verb into present continuous tense. Okay?
Okay, now this is activity 2. Make ing forms of each verb given. You have to change the verb to ing form. Students, look at the first verb, begin. Yes, beginning. There you have to add an extra N, right? N plus ing. Beginning. The second verb, rub. Rubbing. Again an extra B. Here the rub, the last letter is B plus ing. Rubbing. Okay, students, look at the third verb. Listen. What we have to do there? Yes, we have to write the same verb first. Listen, listening. And we have to add only ing. Okay, the fourth verb. Lie. So what we have to do? Well done. We have to cut IE and we have to add Y. Lie, line. It will change to lying, right? We have to cut IE and we have to add Y plus ing. Next, swim. What we have to do? Yes, we have to add an extra M plus ing. Swimming, study, studying, happen, happening. So now I hope you have understood how to make ing forms of each verb, right? How we can change the verb to ing form. Okay, student, this is your task. What you have to do is you have to add an ing at the end of each verb. I have given a list of verbs and you have to add ing. The first one, work. So you have to add ing. So the answer will be working. So students, what you have to do is you have to copy all these questions in your exercise book. After that, you have to write the answers. Make sure you complete this task in your exercise book.
Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully, you enjoyed the lesson. Inshallah, we will meet you soon. Until then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.
DPS TeleClass